Hey everyone, grab all the trains on for you. Back again. Another train. Let's go. Current time is 9:07 p.m. Woohoo! Let's go. What do we got? Head power. 29, 89, 30, 30, 47, 09. Nice. Got some good engines, I guess. Let's go. Perfect evening. I just had a feeling a train was going to come soon. What do you know? Bingo. I did get quite a few trains that will be good and will going up pretty shortly on pretty soon on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Not often you see those. Hey, nice. I don't think I've ever seen one of those. One of those black hoppers like that. That's unique. I've seen them in like those grayish color kind of things, like those kind of ones, like average ones. White grayish kind of shit, whatever you call it, but yeah. Nice to see a black one. That was pretty nice. Oh yeah, we have auto racks on this one. Not sure the number, so if anyone knows this train number, please comment down below. I would love to hear what train number this is. Okay, nice. The rail auto rack, oh, even better. Nice. Look at the small one. Oh. The engine is okay. Nice, let me zoom in. Well, was 25.30. Oh wow, it's one of those matte, got like a shiny glossy one and then like another matte color to it. It's pretty unique. This is definitely an interesting one. For sure. I'm really excited. Yeah, I'm just absolutely vibing right now. I'm just absolutely enjoying it. Oh, nice, a white tanker. Hey, nice. Oh, another one. Oh, another black hopper. That's nice. Two of those on this. There's the engine. Nice. Like small tanker. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go! Woohoo! Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.